Good evening, everyone. Here I am Jack Pakaj or Powerband 7 of YouTube. I have just recently purchased the Cherry Mobile Flare. Grabe ang haba ng pila kanina. Ayan, you can see from the box that Cherry Mobile Flare has Android 4.0 ICS. I'm very sorry for the quality of the camera. It is just from an Korean S2. So let us begin unboxing our Cherry Mobile Flare. This is only a one shot, so whatever you see is not scripted. So here is our unit. Yeah, you can see that it is 4-inch and it actually feels kind of mamahalin, or in English it feels not cheap. And the back, unlike the Titan, the back is not fingerprint magnet. Let us turn it on. Now, the screen is said to have IPS. IPS is in-plane switching technology. Ayan, you can see the Cherry Mobile logo with the that's the Cherry Mobile usual sound. And I will tell you something, the IPS panels are said to offer clearer images and stable response time and consistent viewing angles. If it is sunny, you can still see what the phone. Yes, that's it. So let us see. Yeah, it is offering out of the box ice cream sandwich. Inside the box is your plastics and with charger, white charger with earphones. I haven't tested it yet. I'll test it later, and you just look at my vlog. And this is the manual, which I highly doubt any one of you will ever use. Ayan, buti nagmalinaw na yung aking camera. Ayan din pala yung USB cable. Ayan. Since nag-stable na yung camera, tingnan natin ulit yung nasa likod. Ayan. Ay, hindi pa. Ayan. Android 4.0. Dual-core S4 MSM 8225. Kung hindi kayo familiar, if you're not familiar with what the hell those chips are, MSM 8225 offers you the same speed as HTC Desire X. You can read it online or wherever. Now, what is interesting about this phone is it is dual SIM, dual core, and a little bonus is the dual camera. Well, let us explore the phone. Wait. I've covered the superficiality, and let us discover the phone. First, of course, we will look into its music. Look, gallery first. Out of the box, you see the very famous Nova launcher. And gallery. Let's look at the gallery. It actually offers highly fast response time. Mabilis naman siya. Yan. This picture is taken from my N86. Tapos linagay, I put it on here. Yan. Let us see. Messaging. Yan. The usual Android stuffs. Yan. Mabilis naman siya, di ba? Ayan. So, let us try playing a movie. Personally, I will recommend to you to use the MX Player Pro. I am going to play to you How I Met Your Mother. Yan. Natin siya. Yan.
Kids, the summer of 2012 was the summer of love. Barney and Quinn.
Diba?
Me and Victoria.
It actually is good quality.
Robin and Nick.
Right. Enough of video viewing. Let us view the music. Where's the music? It is very confusing as I cannot see. It is not alphabetically arranged. Ayan. For this watt, I only put one song so we can hear the quality of the speaker. Yan. All this time by 6-part invention. Invention, yeah. Yan. It actually offers clear sound, no? Let us explore the phone muna. On the top, you have the 3.5mm jack and the power button, a volume rocker on the side, and the USB port. Bottom has nothing. I think that is mic. And the back has 5MP autofocus camera. That's enough for speakers. Let us go to camera. Camera is a very important part of my life. Now I am using a Galaxy S2. S2 lang. I'm not rich. Yan. For me, it actually offers good image quality. I was actually surprised that for me, in my most humble opinion, I think this has a much better camera than that of the Titan. Okay, so what else do we do on an unboxing? Of course, we play games. What shall we play? Of course, let's play the Non-Dying Temple Run. Yan. Very sorry for the camera. Yan. Medyo mabilis siya. It's kind of, he's fast. Now let's play. Yeah. It's actually quite responsive. Yes, I'm just a dumb player at Temple Run. I'm actually looking at the picture through my cell phone, so I'm having a really hard time playing. But when you play it by yourself, it's not actually bad. No, Temple Run is really good, so you know, the hell. What else? How about playing Fruit Ninja? Yeah, Fruit Ninja. Of course, let's say no. Sound in, and let's turn that off. Let's play a new game. Arcade. It's kind of laggy in the video, but it actually plays kind of smoothly when you're playing it with yourself. When you're playing with yourself. Yes. I play with myself and my cell phone a lot. Okay. So, after all that we've been through, I will make it up to you, I promise you. Blah blah blah. So what are my conclusions to this phone? For its price range, it's very steely. It's actually very fast, very quick. I'm very proud to tell and to announce to the world that Cherry Mobile made a very cheap phone for only 4,000 pesos. Or if you divide 4,000 by 50 or 40, that's roughly $100. Wow, a freaking $100 for a dual core phone, dual SIM? That's gotta be a steal, and I can tell you it is. Para sa akin, nung pumunta ako sa SM kanina, when I went to SM earlier, there were so many freaking people. 10 o'clock and it was already filled. I cannot believe how many people were there. I was lucky enough to get not 1, not 2, but 3 flares. So I'm very sorry if you are one of the few who did not get flare, because I scumbagged 2 more aside from this one. And I'm really enjoying this now. I am yet to still fully conquer this phone. But for the conclusion, I can say that it is a better phone than the Titan because of its color. I think the Titan's color is kind of pale, and I'm really a color freak, so that's a -1 for the Titan and a +1 for the flare. Yeah. Here are the sample images. You can just read my blog Marvel Grinding Writer blogspot.com. They just put it in the link. And I hope you enjoy the unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Flare. Stay tuned for more and thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Here, I am seen to be playing NBA 2K13 just to demonstrate to you how fast playing this game is. Yeah. This is a problem on Cherry Flare. Or maybe the program itself. Yeah. Just press wait and then quick game. Classic. It's kind of actually very fast, no? You can see naman. Yan. Yan. Shoot.
You've got to keep them off the glass. Somebody should have boxed them out.
Okay. So, watch my other videos next time and thank you very much. Bye-bye.